Let's make some origami rabbits.
Now, strictly speaking, it's not origami because there's a tiny bit of cutting. However, I think most of it is origami and therefore it is allowed to be called origami. So if you are an origami purist, I apologize to you. Don't get cross. Now, the first thing I want to do is create a square piece of paper because all origami tends to use square paper. You can use any color. I really like the white. And to create the square piece, I've already got this first fold, which is a triangle. If you haven't got, if you've got square paper ready, make sure you fold it first into this triangle. Keep the small bits so you can make two baby bunnies out of this. So open it up and create a what's called a kite shape by bringing in this edge. So you bring the edge into the center and align it with that center fold. Turn it around and repeat. Bring the edge and bring it into the center, and that way you have your basic kite shape. Try and get it as neat as you possibly can. Oopsie, my green paper is moving. Now I want to create the tail. I'm going to bring this point into the middle here, so meeting the edge of my kite, those flaps, and then I'm going to fold it back about 2/3 of the way, like so, and this is going to be the little tail. So this is the easiest part of the fold. Now I'm going to fold it in half just to make sure that these creases are all in the right place, like so. And now to make it a bit easier, but it will end up with an extra crease, what you can do is you can open it up, bring this point over here and just gently give this a crease, not too strong, yeah? Open it up again, fold it again, and this time I'm going to, with my finger underneath, I'm going to be pushing this up and I'm pushing this is the tricky bit, this over. Sorry. So you need this, there's a pointy bit here and a pointy bit here, and you're pushing them together, yeah? So if you've got it flat, you want this pointy and you want this pointy, so you can push it out if you need to. So this is the tricky bit. So pointy, pointy, make sure your flaps are on the inside, and then you just gently push it into place. There you go, can you see your bunny? So this is your basic origami bunny. You could at this point stop and decorate it, and then it's pure origami. Or, like we're going to do, we're going to give it a little cut at the top. It's about halfway. Actually, I'm going to fold it first, not halfway, 2/3. I'm going to open it like this and cut down the center. This kind of splits the ears. And I'm going to open one ear, give it a little push at the back. Open the other ear, give it a little push at the back, and there you have your basic bunny. Now if you want it to sit, so this one's going to be standing like this. If you want it to sit or lie flat, you then just have to add an extra little fold here. Just tuck this in at whatever angle you want, and then make sure that the other side is the same. And that is then your crouching bunny. And then finally, of course, we need to decorate our little guy or girl. I'm going to give it a little nose, like this, and a little eye.
I decided to add a little hole punch cheek, but you can draw one on, and then you have your little crouching or sitting bunny finished. Aren't they cute?